Hello everyone, Hardcore Ninja here with another SFML side-scroller game engine tutorial. Alright, we're almost done, identified all the bugs. I just had lunch and I just came back to do this video. So as you can see, we can select what we want now. Seems to be, sure it would. It is deleting them. All right, they're just appearing in the wrong place. And I have a smelling, I have a feeling here that it is because, I have a feeling here, it is because um, we were sitting in the mouse position tile here. Okay, well, actually, that seems to be right. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay, so let's see what we're doing. Adding the tile. Adding the tile. Okay, so we're adding the tile. Okay, so the tile position is coming in here. Okay, so we're flooring. Maybe we don't need to floor it like this. Let's just see what happens. We do need a static cast it, but maybe we don't need to floor it. That should be right though. Huh. Got the tile position. Okay. Nope. Not still being weird. Still being weird. Let me see. Yeah, this yeah. Yeah. All right, so we can keep that floor. The floor is actually good. Um, Interesting. Okay. Go up here. Yeah. What we doing? Okay. Um, let's go to. Well, everything else is moving fine. It shouldn't be that. Should not be that. Position. Make unique. Position one. I thought it was no. Side, yeah. Weird. It's really weird. Okay. It seems to be what we want. Let me see what's happening. Let me see what I'm getting for a mouse position when I'm here. All right. So this that's TD. Yeah. Now file position. Blue. What happens when I put it's exactly what's going into I just want to see what this is looking like as it's going into here. Right, that all looks good. That all looks good to me. Maybe, maybe. Okay. Okay. And all right, maybe this set position is a little. Go up to here, the tile. Ah, I understand. Okay, all right. So what's happening here? Okay, so that's why you need the tile size. Okay, essentially what it's setting this as setting this as like 1 pixel or something. So you do need the tile position here. Okay, you do need the tile position. Yes, you do need the tile position. Okay, so if you go up here to this, we will need the unsigned tile size. Tile size, not tile position. All right. And you will need it right here as well. Okay, great. Now, when you add a tile, well, you gotta add here. Now, and you will need to add it here. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so now when we add a tile layer, all right, we will have to add the unsigned tile size to here as well. And then if you go to add tile, wherever she may be, add tile. Okay, you gotta go add tile here. All right, so when you add the tile there, go to tile map. All right, so now you gotta do this tile. Okay, and then in here, what you have to do is you will have to, well, times this, or just times the tile size here, to get it back to like normal pixels, because the what we're seeing, the tiles we're doing is for the size of the level, in tiles, and this is different. So now this should work. So yeah, so of course, this one right here. Okay. One more. All right, so memory cannot convert one argument from to unsigned int. What? Okay. And then memory Okay. So we have the tile size there. What do we have? The tile size here. We have this unsigned tile. And we're initializing this in here. The tile size 32. Cool. And tile size right there. Okay. Oh, we forgot to add it to here. We added it to there, but now here. So this has got to be tile size. Okay. One more. We missed it. We missed another place. We. Oh, probably in the editor. Editor, probably up here at the initialized tile map. Okay, yeah, so we got to add the, oh, we added the tile size there. We added the tile size there. Okay. Yeah, we did that. Can I convert from, all right, so we have another place where we're sending, we have another place where we're not doing this right. Probably in here. Render. Okay, where else do we? Where else do we? Tile map, tile, unsigned, int, la la la. You cannot convert. What? I understand. So where's the other one? There's just, it's somewhere around here. Add tile. Or actually, we're sitting in the tile size here, so you actually don't need to add it to this. That's fine. You can just do this tile size like that. This would be fine. Go back here. You can get rid of this what we just did, and in the editor, update tile map. You can get rid of it here as well. Cool. Yeah, where the hell do we do another tiling? I can't even remember. So we do tile size. Yes, we do the tile size. Init variables. Okay, yeah. So let's just see, find tile map, tile. Okay, here we go. It's probably the load. So this load from file, essentially, this is where we had it. Get as string. Okay, so so it's probably in the load from file, yeah. Yeah, it is in the load from file. All right, cool. So we got the tile position. This is in the tile map. Okay, so we could do this tile size. That's where we had this. And yeah. And this tile map, yeah. So that's going to be, yes, that's all we need. Okay, now we should be good. There we go. Look at that. Awesome. And they remove. You can just hold the mouse down, and we have finally gotten this working. Okay, so this is where I'm going to commit. It's where I'm going to commit all this stuff. And then we need to finish up like the user input and stuff. And then we should make a pause menu. Okay, so you see this is going over. All right, so I see you want to make like a. All right, yeah. All right, so we can fix a couple of these things real fast because these are easy. All right, so cool. We got it all figured out. It's freaking awesome. Now there's probably gonna be a couple issues with the saving, but we'll get to that when it comes. So if you go to render here, yeah, we want the tile map to be. So we want the texture selector. So the tile map should actually be in the back here, so that if you oh, maybe the selector. Let's go back here. What happened? Okay. So we just want the, I think we just want the selector rec to be in front here. Yeah, so just that the selector rec opens on top. All right, now I see why we want to have this bar. So we'll add that. We'll actually end up adding that sidebar there because we don't want to be better. Okay. Excellent. So let's go ahead and commit this. We figured it all out. Yay. We're one step closer to designing our own levels. That's nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and commit this. And also, okay, that freaked out quite a bit, huh? That doesn't look too pretty. I don't know why I was doing that. It's like if you expand it. Look at that's like messing up my that's messing with my up here too. Look at that. Just like if you expand that must be a yeah. I'm still getting this weird thing. I have no idea what that's about. But yeah, we'll look into that. Let me know if you're getting any issues like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and close all this up. Sure, looks nice and pretty. And we need to go ahead and commit this because this has been a while since we committed. All right, so tile H. All right. Cool. So okay. Um so got editor working. Still needs improvement, but at least it's working. So tile map H. All right. So in tile map H. Okay, so in tile map H, in the tile part, we added change this to this to this to this. Okay, then in the tile map.h in the tile map part, change this to this, and we change this to this, and 3. Tile map H in the texture selector part. What do we do? Okay. So in the texture selector part, we one change this to this, and two change this to this. All right, cool. So now we got the tile map CPP tile part. So one we change all right, so this is we gotta static cast this because this is a note. So and I definitely want to STD floor this thing. You want to STD floor essentially anything to do with tiles. um, I still run, no issues. Okay, so one we changed this to voila this. Okay. Just one, right? Yep. And two, we change this to this. Okay, awesome. Now tile map CPP in the tile map part of it. We one change this to this. To yeah. Okay, I can get rid of this debug thing now because I don't need it. Cool. Great. Actually, yeah, I'm doing the static cast here, so I think I might want to just like nah, yeah, it's all right. It's not gonna hurt it. Just leave it like that. Okay, so this is a unsigned. All right. So anyway, I changed this. Well, I will be doing less static cast if I do it here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that real fast. So I'm gonna do static, static cast, float this, and I want to ST floor the crap out of this. ST floor like that. Cool. And then up here, we're gonna change all of these floats. Float. And we're gonna change this to float as well. And let's go back to here. Change this to float. Change that to float. So that's all we did. So let's just select variables to this is not float. And then to float. And then okay. So float. And float. So that's nice and reported. Okay, so then we're gonna go back here. And then we'll keep the STD floor just because you could never have two. But we won't be doing two static casts, so it's a little bit teeny weeny bit more efficient. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so now we have changed. We've changed this to this. Okay, so load. Okay, I want to keep this because once I save it once, then this will be fine. All I really did, but I'm still, so I still changed something though. Change this to this. And then all I did was for change this to this. Okay, awesome. We're moving right along. Okay, so now I'm in the tile map.cpp texture selector area. So one changed this to this. Did I do anything? Yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna say I changed all of this. Changed this to this. So what do we do here? All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and save all. Cell's number 1, right? Okay, number 2. I changed pretty much a lot of this. Yeah. Okay. So I changed all this to this. 3. Change this to this. Okay, beautiful. Okay, what was all that? This thing still runs. Which it is. Yep. Cool. Okay. Great. All right. Moving along. So now we got state.h. Okay, state.h. 1. Oh, I want to go ahead and add this class file map. Oh, I do drop downs in here. Yeah, I do have drop down map. All right, so we also want to add class drop down, right? Class drop down. I think we can do class GUI. GUI. What's it spelled? Oh, I do capital D? I thought drop down was like drop down. It's like, I do capital D? Ain't that a lowercase d? And, well, I don't want to deal with this right now, but anyway, I want to respell that. All right, so there we go. So I added this. Added 2. Changed. Let's change this. Change all this to this right here. Okay, and then re-added this. 4 added this. 5 added this. And no need for that space. And then 6 added this. Cool. Alrighty. All right, so yeah, so we want to add the namespace right there, and class GUI dropdown. And then we just want to get rid of that space. Okay, cool. And then save. Okay. State. CDP. Okay. All right. So. One. Oh. It's unsigned. Get rid of that. All right. So you find stuff when you do this. One change this thing to this thing. And 3 added this, and 4 added this to this thing. Oof. Right, and then 5. We added all this. And then 6 change this to all this. And that's all it. Still runs. What happened? What happened? What's going on here? Ah, got that. Okay. Okay. Cool. And then right now we got settings CPP. So we added to And then in the main menu, H. Added. And then main menu, CPP. Added all of this to this, and then two. Added this to the buttons, and just the flow of how things appear. It's more like that. So yeah, that to that. All right, and then 3 added this to that's all we do, right? Okay, cool. So now we got editor H. Okay, we didn't add anything yet. Okay. Oh, we had just added this stuff. Okay. So, all right. So that's everything that's new. Got editor, created editor from scratch, and got it working. Still needs improvement. All right, cool. All right, so there you have it. There you have it. All right, so in the next video, we will hopefully be 100% done with the editor and be able to move on to the pause menu. And then we will design levels. Bye-bye.